What if the bottle promising to bring your hair back is either your best investment of 2025 or just another slick internet illusion? Today we're digging into the truth behind Zephta H-Regrow 2.0 hair care, a product all over ads claiming to scientifically restore, regrow, and repair thinning hair fast. And I'm putting those claims directly under the microscope to see if zephta.com is legit or a potential scam. Zephta markets H-Regrow 2.0 as a science-backed formula designed to wake up dormant follicles, boost scalp circulation, and strengthen damaged strands, all through quick and easy daily use with no complicated routine. I tested everything as instructed: consistent application, full routine. No shortcuts, then closely observed results over time while also investigating the brand itself, its ingredient transparency, refund policies, customer feedback, and marketing claims. On the surface, the approach sounds impressive. But once you dig deeper, some of the language used is very generic, leaning heavily on buzzwords rather than clear clinical data. And ingredient details remain vague enough to leave reasonable questions unanswered. The actual experience showed mixed signals. Some short-term changes like reduced dryness and improved hair texture were noticeable, but dramatic regrowth results weren't clearly proven within the timeframe promised. At the same time, this doesn't automatically mean it's fake. Hair regrowth is slow, highly individual, and rarely delivers overnight miracles despite what marketing suggests. Pricing sits on the higher side for a topical hair product, especially given the uncertainty surrounding guaranteed outcomes, and expectations should be kept realistic. So, is Zephta H-Regrow 2.0 legit or scam in 2025? The honest takeaway is that it falls somewhere in the gray zone, possibly helpful for basic hair care and scalp conditioning, but not the instant hair revival solution the ads strongly imply. As always with products like this, real results depend on consistency, genetics, and patience, not viral promises.